get these at the dollar store all the time. This is my breakfast. Free breakfast for my little change. And then I got my tea, Lipton tea. All these new cars look really nice. I kind of miss working in the car business. So I'm gonna chill out here, see how long it takes. Right now it's 7 a.m. Get back. Holy shit, bro. 20 grand Marco. C46 white body Scat Pack. Bro, this has front. The sensor, you can see the big old camera for the front cruise control. That's probably one of the first ones over there. Wow. Charger Hellcats, Challenger Hellcats, and then there's a Charger over there. I'm gonna go get a closer look later. Bro, what the fuck? Hold on. 46 base. They don't put 20 grand worth of shit. There's no 20 grand worth of packaging in there. Optional 6 grand over there. Okay, now it's starting to add up. Holy shit, 20 grand worth of options. God damn. It looks good though, the orange. Scat Pack. Look at the beat. We're gonna be blacked out. Holy shit, man. Let's go over here to my dream car. There's a fucking Hellcat right over there. God damn. Challengers, I wanted one so bad when I was younger. And then there's a Charger. I'd rather get a Charger like a wide body so they think you're an undercover cop and no one pulls you over. Look at this. Holy shit, you can see inside kinda. Carbon fiber door handle. Carbon fiber fuel cap. Good Lord have mercy. They even put these in Durangos, man, like soccer mom cars. Jesus, this is just a regular Charger. Damn, look at this one. Orange with black. Look at the spoiler, it's an RT. Holy shit, man. Orange and black racing stripes. You got the American flag decal. This is 100% tinted. That's full on illegal. I ain't trying to get pulled over. That's why I didn't front my... This is a Hellcat or a Red Eye? No, it's a Hellcat. God damn. How much is this shit? It's probably like 100 grand with the markup. Yeah, there's no price on it. When I used to work at a car dealership, we did this too. It's a RT. What the hell is there a freaking Hellcat thing on there? This is an Alfa Romeo. I've never seen people drive this. I see it I see it everywhere, but I've never heard anything good about them. If you look at this, they don't show the price on purpose, so when you go inside, you're screwed. It's gonna be easily 60, 70 stock and then markup on top. 43,789 miles. So the next oil change I have to come by in a month, so we'll see. I have to come by June 5th before, so June 1st I'm gonna come back here. That's in like 3 weeks.